Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So I've been using the Mystro Driver app for the past few weeks, and honestly I wanted to see if it could actually make my rideshare experience smoother, especially when juggling both Uber and Lyft at the same time. If you've ever tried running multiple rideshare apps at once, you already know how distracting and stressful that can get. I'd heard from a few other drivers that it helps automate ride acceptance and reduces the stress of constantly switching apps, which is one of the biggest pain points when multi-apping. So I figured, why not give it a shot? So here's what I found. Mystro is basically an automation app designed for rideshare drivers like us who want more control over the types of trips we accept. It connects directly to Uber and Lyft and lets you set filters that match your driving goals. For example, you can tell it to only accept long trips if you're trying to maximize earnings per ride, or reject rides below a certain passenger rating to avoid potential issues. Once you set those preferences, Mystro does the heavy lifting behind the scenes. It automatically accepts or rejects rides based on what you want, so you're not constantly reacting to every ping. It's meant to help you stay focused on the road instead of constantly tapping your phone, which is not only safer, but also less mentally draining during long driving sessions. Setting it up was surprisingly simple, which honestly surprised me. I'm not the most tech-savvy person, but it only took me around 3 minutes to get everything connected from start to finish. The app gives you clear step-by-step instructions, so you always know what to do next, and when you do something right, it turns green, which feels reassuring and lets you know you're on the right track. Once I connected both Uber and Lyft, it was ready to go immediately when I started using it, with no extra configuration needed. The best part was how it handled ride requests in real-world driving situations. For example, I'd be driving and I'd hear, "Uber request received." Accepting that voice cue was a lifesaver, because it meant I didn't need to look down or touch anything while driving, which is a huge deal for safety. I could focus on the road, traffic, and navigation, and Mystro handled the rest automatically in the background, exactly the way I had set it up. There were a couple of times when the app crashed, which can happen with any app that runs continuously in the background, but restarting it fixed the issue quickly each time. Honestly, that was the only hiccup I faced, and it didn't interrupt my driving or cause me to miss out on rides in any noticeable way. Now, what I really liked, it made multi-apping a breeze. No more constantly toggling between Uber and Lyft or worrying about missing out on good rides because I was busy responding to one app. Everything felt more streamlined. It also let me filter out short or low-paying rides, which is huge if you're trying to be more intentional about your time and earnings, so I was only getting trips that were actually worth my time and effort. On the flip side, the subscription isn't cheap, and that's something you should definitely consider. It's about $19 per month or $140 per year, so you want to make sure you're driving often enough for it to pay for itself. And right now, it only supports Uber and Lyft. So if you're more into delivery, driving with apps like DoorDash or Instacart, it might not be very useful yet since those platforms aren't supported at the moment. But for rideshare drivers, it definitely adds value. To wrap it up, if you're someone who drives regularly for Uber or Lyft and you want to make things smoother, safer, and more efficient, Mystro is absolutely worth trying. It won't magically increase your income overnight, but it can help you be more selective with rides, manage your time better, and stay focused while driving, which adds up over time. Personally, I'll keep using it for now. It's made my rides feel less stressful and a lot more organized, especially during busy hours. So yeah, that's my honest take on the Mystro Driver app. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like and subscribe because it really helps the channel. I'll be sharing more real app experiences like this one soon.